Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with TMaxx USA, and today I have a very special Ferrari right here that we just finished wrapping using our gloss clear PPF film. Now, this is not your average Ferrari. This is a 458 Speciale. This is the last of the era of the Ferrari 458 car, and it got a special name, Speciale. Now, what makes it Speciale is the fact that number one, it is very race and track inspired. The front bumper, the carbon fiber louvers, the hood, the rear, all the elements that you see that look just a little more different than the average 458 is what makes this a Speciale. Not only that, but also its ride height, its suspension, all the carbon fiber on the inside, in the engine compartment area, and also its performance. This is a lightweight Ferrari, which is why so much carbon fiber was used. Now, let's get back into what TMaxx USA did to this car. When you own a car like this is a true collector's car. And the last thing you want is, while enjoying it on the road or the highway, is to go ahead and pick up a rock chip, road rash, door dings, anything that could compromise this beautiful Bianco white paint, which would result in a trip to the body shop. And for those of you that know, if you have an exotic car, the last thing you want to do is go to a body shop and have it painted or repaired. It will reduce the value of the car, which is why this customer decided to go ahead and have us wrap the complete vehicle using our gloss clear PPF film. This film is extra thick and designed to protect the paint from road rash, rock chips, and anything, like I said earlier, that can compromise the paint. We applied this film on the complete exterior of the car. All the white body panels, the carbon fiber elements, and you can't even tell that it's been done. That's one of the beauties of using TMaxx Gloss Clear PPF film. At the end of the day, rest assured, you could enjoy your collectible Ferrari out on the road. You could protect your investment as long as you have TMaxx Clear PPF film applied. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider TMaxx USA to protect your investment no matter what car you have.